Hello everyone. Okay, so welcome to my channel Nursing Lecture Pathshala. So today we are going to discuss about one of the very important or vital organ of the body, that is nothing but the heart. So today we are going to know about the basic introduction, location, functions of the heart. Okay, so let's see and we'll understand the parts of the hearts too. So coming to the introduction part of the heart, we know that the heart is the vital organ of the body. It's a conical shaped structure and it is equal to the size of our closed fist. Okay, and it measures around 250 grams in females and around 350 grams in males. So coming to the position or the location of the heart. So the heart is located in the middle thorax cavity at the middle mediastinum, and it is located from the second to fifth intercostal space. So this is the location and it is slightly oblique. Okay, and if we know that the base and the apex, okay, they are the two main structure, okay, which will give us the different measurements of the heart. So the measurement from the apex to the base, that is nearly 12 centimeter, and the transverse measurement is nearly 9 centimeter of the heart. Okay, coming to the different location or the organs which are surrounding to the heart, they are: heart is being surrounded anteriorly by the sternum, posteriorly by the esophagus, thoracic aorta and the thoracic vertebrae. Laterally it is being surrounded by both the lungs, and inferiorly it is surrounded by the diaphragm. Superiorly it is being surrounded by the great aortic vessels, aorta and the pulmonary trunk. And coming to the functions of the heart, we know that the heart, okay, it pumps the blood throughout the body. From the heart, the oxygenated blood has been circulated throughout the body, and from the body the deoxygenated blood is again get back to the lungs, it gets purified and again it goes to the body. So these are the main function, that is transportation of the blood, and it also helps in the transportation of the oxygen and the nutrients which are being required by the body. Okay, so let's know about the parts of the heart. Okay, so as we know that the heart is a conical shaped structure or an organ. So the layers of the heart are nothing but it is made up of mainly three layers. The uppermost layer is called as epicardium, the middlemost layer is called as myocardium, and the innermost layer is called as endocardium. These are the main three layers the heart is made up of. If we see the chambers, it is made up of 4 chambers, to right and to left. Okay, we can also divide it as the atria and the ventricles. So we have right atria, right ventricle and left ventricle. If we see the right side of the heart, that is right atria and right ventricle, they both are connected by the tricuspid valve. Okay, the right atria has the opening of the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava, and this both the blood vessels gives the deoxygenated blood to the chambers or the heart. Okay, now if we see the left side of the heart, we have left atria and the left ventricle, and they both are connected by bicuspid or mitral valve. Okay, the opening of the aorta, that is from the left ventricle, and this has the, like, it pumps the majority of the blood to the body. This gives oxygenated blood from the heart throughout the body. Now if you see the upper part, okay, this is called as base of the heart, and this region is called as apex of the heart. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.